Presenting to you Kalimba, right? Okay, Kalimba. And Kalimba is good because we can learn the chords formation, and you buy one with the notes engraved onto the keyboard. Okay, so now we know from this note C, E, G, these three notes will form a C chord. Okay, this is a C chord. Okay, and then we have the F chord here, F, A, C. So these three notes will form the F chord. Okay? And then for the G chord that we normally play will be the G, B, D. G chord is here. And then we have the A minor. Okay, E, A. And then we have the E minor here. This is the E minor. Okay, so these are the very basic chords that we have been learning. From here we can play many songs.